For some people, the gift of home automation would be unusual, but in reality, it makes a lot of sense if you think about it. After all, who wouldn't want to be able to control their lights, appliances, and gadgets with a simple voice? Or be able to monitor different aspects of their home and even receive alerts directly to their phone? The problem is knowing which home automation gifts are best for your loved ones. So, here are some ideas to get you started. When it comes to home automation gifts, you can't go wrong with a smart thermostat or humidifier. You can program both of these devices remotely, and they offer a great return on investment. After installing them, not only will you save energy and money by limiting heating and cooling in occupied rooms, but you'll also reduce your risk of catching colds during the winter months. The Nest Learning Thermostat is well priced and easy to use. It's even programmable from your smartphone. And suppose you have an Amazon Echo or Alexa device. In that case, you can tell it when to raise or lower the temperature with simple voice commands. If these things aren't your cup of tea, we recommend you opt for a traditional standalone digital thermostat instead. So if you need a home automation gift idea that covers all budgets, look no further, as this could be a great gift to give. It may sound like science fiction, but home automation is now a reality. Voice-activated devices can be controlled with your voice via one of the many virtual assistants, Amazon Echo and Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Siri, Google Home and Google Assistant, or Microsoft Cortana. Imagine being able to give commands from anywhere in your home for lights to turn on, off, or other devices to turn on or off. There are also voice-activated thermostats that allow you to control the temperature of rooms without having to walk through the house. With other brands also available, it will be interesting to see what new technologies come out in 2023. A hub or centralized controller such as WingHub 2 or Staples Connect will be your key to controlling all your smart home devices. The C will be able to communicate with all your devices, so you can control them from one place via an app on your phone or computer. This is particularly useful if you have multiple devices and want to turn them off at night before bed, for example. A centralized hub can connect to internet providers such as Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home, so you can use voice commands to control what's happening in your home. So, go ahead, turn off the lights when you leave a room. Your phone knows where you are anyways, thanks to its GPS locator. Intelligent sockets and dimmers plug directly into a standard socket and turn it into an intelligent socket. You can then control these devices from your smartphone, allowing you to automate them. For example, turning off all your lights when you leave for work. Also, check out electrical outlets that turn into USB ports. If you're thinking of adding smart devices to your home, you'll need to consider how best to integrate them. Not all gadgets are necessarily helpful on their own. Instead, think about how they connect to maximize their usefulness. For example, an intelligent thermometer will be much more helpful if it works with your existing connected thermostat. Your home has tons of potential. It just needs someone who can see how everything fits together. Create beautiful lighting and a home security system by installing bright outdoor lights. Some can be controlled via an app on your phone, while others work when they detect movement or sounds. You can also equip your home with cameras that allow you to remotely monitor and see what's happening inside and outside your home, or wherever you want. If you're buying several cameras but don't have enough outlets, consider a PoE, Power over Ethernet switch, like the TLPoE 150S. It will allow you to use one Ethernet connection for up to 15 devices. Security cameras and sensors offer many benefits. They provide extra security and are great for keeping an eye on your pets or children, and can even help catch parcel thieves. There are many different options, ranging from very affordable to very high-end, so you can choose what suits your budget. You might also consider adding sensors around doors or windows that sound an alarm when they are opened unexpectedly. This is particularly useful if you live in an area with many natural disasters. They are also fun to handle and experiment with, making them great gifts. This is not a gift to you, but rather an investment in your home and family. If you want to feel better when you're away from home, or keep an eye on things when you're sleeping or out and about, consider installing a surveillance system that keeps an eye on your doors, windows, and possessions. Most designs are relatively easy to install yourself. They can be set up to alert you if they detect movement while you're away, or even by text message or email. Our favorite is iSmart Alarm, $199 from Amazon, which works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Microsoft Cortana. This makes it easy to control smart home devices with your voice. Isn't that great? These lights connect to a Wi-Fi network and allow you to control them using an app on your phone. The most basic type of brilliant light uses LEDs, which means they are often low wattage but don't emit much heat. While many people are wary of having a networked device in their home that could be vulnerable to hacking, these lights are no more susceptible than other things connected to our networks, such as computers or televisions. That said, security is always an issue when introducing new technology to your home. If you're looking for home automation gift ideas, it can be hard to find a good place to start. Projectors and TVs are generally high-end items that most people won't invest in right away, especially if they live in a flat. Media players and games consoles are great gifts, but most people already own them. If you're shopping for someone who has everything or wants something flashy, your best bet is a new smart device. An Amazon Echo or Google Home device would be ideal as they are relatively cheap and easy to set up. Bear in mind that some devices may require accessories. Google Home works with Chromecast devices for video streaming, for example. If possible, buy these accessories along with your gifts so you don't forget them later. For more significant advantages such as home appliances, consider pairing them with smaller electronic devices such as a media player or games console to create a home entertainment package. The console may not work on its own, but when paired with another device, it makes sense. So why not offer the whole range? With several apps to choose from, most people should find an option they like. With smartphones and tablets quickly becoming a necessity in modern life, it makes sense that these devices allow users to control their homes while on the go. Some of these options will let you do everything from turning lights on and off to setting your thermostat with the swipe of a finger. With so many options available, the possibilities for gifts are almost endless. It doesn't matter if you choose to go all out or select one app over another as long as you know which devices will receive the gift. There's nothing worse than giving someone a home automation system that requires an outdated operating system or software version. If you're having trouble choosing a single application, try to list desired features before purchasing. After determining which devices will be compatible with each app, example iPhone or Android, compare the lists and see if one stands out as your favorite before deciding which features best match each app's capabilities. So guys, now that you've got the top 10 home automation gifts that you can give to your loved ones, tell us in the comments which of these gifts stood out to you the most. And if you want to see more videos about home automation, don't hesitate to visit our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment saying I subscribed, and I'll personally reply to your comment. Activate the notification bell to always be informed of our subsequent publications. See you next time for a new video. Ciao.